Hey, Brew and Feed here. I'm here with the Blacktoberfest beer. It's a Marzen style beer. What I'm going to do with it today is make a clam bake. My clam bake is going to be made with the beer, mixed with a little bit of water. It's going to be made with red potatoes, shallots, carrots, corn on the cob, smoked sausage, mussels, and clams. Let's go check it out and see what I'm working with. Brew strong and feed well.